Hi. So in this question we have Ankita buys 4 kg of cashews, 14 kg of peanuts, 6 kg almonds, and the cost of 7 kg of cashews is same as that of 30 kg of peanuts and same as 9 kg of almonds. Let's just consider this part. We'll read the whole question, but let's just consider this part. Which part? Wherein we are given that the cost of 7 kgs of cashews, 30 kgs of peanuts and 9 kgs of almonds is same. So let's say cost of 1 kg of cashews, 1 kg of peanuts and 1 kg of almonds is C, P and A rupees respectively. Okay. So now 7 kgs of cashews will cost 7 into C, 30 kgs of peanut will cost 30 into P and 9 kgs of almonds will cost 9 into A. So the cost of all these is same. So now if cost of all these is same, what we can do is we can calculate the ratio of CP and A. How do we do that? Simply divide by LCM of 7, 30 and 9, right? So this will be 630, right? So divide by 630, okay? So if you divide by 630, you'll get C by 90 is equal to P by 630 by 30 is 21 and A by 70. Now we know if two or more than two quantities are equal, the ratio of numerators is same as the ratio of denominators. So C, P and A will be in the same ratio as 90 is to 21 is to 70. Okay. So the ratio of per kg cost of cashew, peanuts and almonds is 90 is to 21 is to 70. So assuming that the cost of each kg of cashews is 90x, that of peanuts is 21x and that of almonds is 70x. This is cost per kg, right? Fine. Now let's go ahead. So she bought 4 kgs of cashews and 14 kgs of peanuts and 6 kgs of almonds. So the total cost will be 4 kgs of cashews at a cost of 90x. So 4 into 90x plus 14 kg of peanuts at a cost of 21x. So 14 into 21x plus 6 kg of almonds at 70x. So 6 into 70x. So the total cost will be 4 into 90x plus 14 into 21x plus 6 into 70x. Okay. So the total cost comes out to be 1074x. That's what is happening. Now what she does is she sells 4 kg of this mixture at this marked price. So this is the marked price for the full, how much? 24 kgs, right? Now this is the marked price for 24 kgs. So what would be the marked price for just 4 kgs if she sells the 4 kgs at this price? So the full so wait, no, I did not read it. So she mixes all the 3 nuts and marks the price of the mixture in order to make a profit of 1752. Okay, sorry. So this was just the cost price, and if she wants to make a profit of 1752, the total selling price of the mixture should be 1074x plus the profit 1752. This should be the total selling price of 24 kgs. Right? Now what she does is she sells only 4 kgs of this mixture at the marked price. Now if this was the total price for 24 kgs, what would have been the price for 4 kgs? 4 out of 24, that is 1/6. 1/6 of the total quantity is being sold at the marked price. So the price, this is price for 24 kgs. So the price for 4 kgs will be 1/6 of this. So the 4 kgs will be sold at what price? 1/6 of 1074x plus 1752, right? And for the remaining 20 kgs, the price would have been remaining 5/6, right? 5/6 of 1074x plus 1752. This should have been the price for the remaining 20 kgs. But the remaining 20 kgs is not being sold at this price. It is being sold at a 20% discount on the marked price. Okay. So the selling price is not going to be this. It's going to be 20% less than this. So 20% is 1/5. So reduce this by 1/5. That means the final selling price will be 4/5 of this price. Okay. So the total earnings for Ankita would be how much? this would be the earnings on the first 4 kgs and this would be the earnings on the next 20 kgs, right? So the total selling price, this was the total estimated price, but the total actual selling price of the mixture will be 1/6, that is for the first 4 kgs, and then for the next 20 kgs a discount of 20% is applied. Okay, so now if you take this common here, so this basically comes out to be if you take this common 1/6 from here plus 5/6 into 4/6. So 5 cancels out, 4/6 remains, and 4/6 when simplified is 2/3. And 1/6 plus 2/3 is 5/6. So this is the total selling price for Ankita. Actual selling price. This was the estimated selling price when she wanted to make a profit of 1752, but this is the actual selling price. Now on the actual selling price, she made a profit of 744. So the actual selling price should be the cost price plus the actual profit of 744. So the actual selling price is cost price plus the actual profit of 744. Now 1074x into 5/6 is effectively 895x. 1752 into 5/6 is 1460, which is 1074x plus 744 as it is RHS. So now you'll have 1074 minus 895. This is going to be how much? 179x, and 1460 minus 744 is 760. So 716 is going to be 179x, and once you divide by 179, x comes out to be 4. Okay, so the value of x is 4. Now the question is, the amount in rupees that she had spent in buying almonds is how much? So the amount that she spends on almonds was this amount. 6 kg of almonds is bought and the price of almonds is 70x, right? So 6 into 70x is the price of almonds. 6 into 70x, which is effectively 420 into x. X here is 4, so 420 into 4 is 1680. So the total price of the almonds is option B, 1680. Thank you.